All right, my friend, welcome. We're gonna do a little walking tour here. We're gonna go out for some coffee, maybe grab a snack, check out the city, the sights, the sounds, the smells here in Oaxaca, Mexico. You ready to go?
Vámonos.
Let's go. Peaceful, quiet morning today so far. It's just 10:30 in the morning, so pretty early yet. All right, my friend, we're gonna go grab a bite to eat here at this rooftop patio. We're not sure which one of these two here in front of us here. Jennifer just went in and checked out the church. You've never been in the church, babe? Oh, all the months we've been here, she's never gone inside the church. Okay, well, she went and had a look. Let's go get something to eat and something to drink, my friend. Here in Santo Domingo, Oaxaca, Mexico. Friday morning. All right, this is a pretty cool place. We've never been here before. Nice view. We've eaten at a few rooftop places, but nice archway going in. Jennifer's already inside. Let's go have a boo. Pretty nice. Beautiful view of the cathedral here. Probably get a copyright strike. Got the band here all set up, ready to go. Very nice. Okay, let's take a peek at the menu. Enchiladas, $185. Enchilada Verde, $185. $185. Everything's $185. $160 for Primavera grilled chicken. We don't want that. Breakfast. There you go. Omelette. $120. Oh, Huevos Rancheros, $120. I think that's what I'm gonna get. Huevos Rancheros. Sounds good. 120 pesos. Cool place anyway. Beautiful view. I can't believe we've never eaten here before. All the times I've come down here, this is where we always meet for our bike rides. They're right here on Sunday. But this Sunday I'm not going. I'm gonna spend Sunday with my wife and my boy. Well, I think that's the fanciest Jugo Verde I've ever had. Looks yummy. Looks like maybe a mint, the top of a mint leaf or something. Some type of foliage anyway. Yeah, with all these National Guards down here, I'm thinking a politician is coming. They got 2 or 3 trucks parked underneath of us here. There's got to be at least 20 guys down there. What are the orders, babe?
3 pesos.
Oh, looks really good. And this is a different type of ranchero. I got no beans with it. Looks good though. Got my spicy salsa. My Jugo Verde. Cappuccino. Let's dig in. Let's dig in. Dig in, dig in. Different, that's for sure. Spicy goodness. Pretty greasy, but it's good. Spicy, greasy. Fresh flavor. Well, I think we enjoyed it. I ate, well, about a quarter of Jennifer's sandwich. She couldn't eat all of her sandwich. It was a little spicy for her, but she ate most of it. I finished up the last little bit, plus my rancheros. So it was good. Very, very good. A lot of heat in it, which was nice. Okay, let's go back home to our boys soon, guys. Hold on, hold on. Little walking tour. We'll make our way back. No, I was just thinking, I wonder, like, how old this is. Like, very, very cool. All right, let's make a mile. Adios. How much was it, babe? 5, no, 4.
450.
450 before tip. That's pretty reasonable. It was darn good. Okay, excellent. Go down the metal staircase here. I just love that there's so much art all over the city. It's so beautiful. Okay, let's go. Adios. Okay. So this is a little public area. They got bathrooms in here. Little merchant here. Provecho. And here you go. Right back out into the square. Okay. That's it. That's where we ate right there. Oh, look at Jennifer shopping. Oh.
150. 150. Igual. Ya.
You want to get a gift for somebody?
Baby.
Mm-hmm. I like these wallets. These are nice. That's very nice.
Esta
Pretty.
cara.
Oh, yeah. Oh, nice.
Tengo así.
Mm-hmm. 250 pesos?
Eso.
Not bad. That's okay. And they got men's wallets.
Sí.
Okay. Oh, these are nice. 80 pesos. Handmade doilies. Very nice. Nice bags.
Sopas para el baño.
Oh,
It's a whole set
for the baño.
for your bathroom, yeah.
Esa
See?
Toallas y
para la tapa
tapeta.
del baño. Tapa del
Tapa.
baño.
Sí. ¿Tiene cambio?
Sí, o tarjeta. Gancho, medio. Esta bolsa.
Ah, sí.
How much is your little purse?
Maybe 150.
150 for a little purse?
Yeah.
Well, you get a couple of those.
Esto 80 y esto 100.
Maybe get a couple of these for Denise.
Yeah. Yeah. Actually, that's a great idea.
Like
Yeah.
that one.
All right. Okay. Well, let's go inside this little market and have a look. Beautiful. Buenos días. Some Jamaica. Nice little spot to grab something to eat, something to drink. Buen día. Nice little fruit stand. Get some eggs. Oh, look at the red plantains. Mm. Oh, fresh honey. Very nice. Nice little spot back here. Beautiful. Oh, bakery. Oh, some pottery. Oh, so this is straight down from Santo Domingo towards Reforma. Reforma that way. And Santo Domingo's this way. And there's a little sign there, Mercado La Cochea. Orgánico market. Probably butchering that name. I'll drop the location in the description for you guys. All right, my friend, that's it. That's all. Thank you so much for joining us today. God bless everybody out there. Peace on earth. Like, comment, share, subscribe. And as always, be kind to one another. Adios. Hasta luego.
Adios.
Adios. Let's go home to our little boy. She's getting hot out. It is just about noon. Vámonos.